Puri is one of the most attractive sea beaches in the world. Quiet, vast, and untouched. The Kalinga Sagara. The brave traders of Kalinga sailed away to different countries even before the 3rd century BC. The sea beach is vast and it accommodates several thousand people. The waves are high. It rises to more than 8 feet height. The boys are making a pyramid. The fishermen venture into the sea. Hundreds of fishing boats are out in the sea. One can enjoy a camel ride. Those who like horses can go for a horse ride. The hot afternoon sun has little impact on the tourist. The cool breeze from the sea has a soothing effect. The sunset is spectacular with different shades of red and yellow. The waves are painted with different colors. The sea becomes silent. The meeting place of the sun and the sea. The disciples of Puri Sankaracharya of Puri perform the Samudra Aarti every evening. Puri Beach is one of the most precious gifts from nature. Now, it is the responsibility of the state government and the people of Odisha to protect and preserve its natural beauty for the future generation.